everyone, I'm Dr. Rachna Singh here. Today I'm giving you a very simple method to make a separating funnel at home. For this material which you used or needed for the preparation of the separating funnel and how to separate the substance, you will take plastic bottle, immiscible liquid, whatever you want to separate, like oil, water, and I have already taken two different type of oil, coconut oil and this is mustard oil mixed with the almond oil. So let's start how to separate the immiscible liquid from the miscible liquid. Separating funnel, you use plastic bottle and make a hole on the lid of this plastic bottle, and a miscible liquid like oil, different type of oil you can take, because oil having different density, different oil having like coconut oil, mustard oil, sunflower oil and amla oil. These are the four substances through which all liquids having different density we have to separate from this separating funnel. Now first of all we may add water in this. Okay, now water in this. Now you will observe, then after, first of all I have water in this, filled with water, and then after this sunflower oil, and then I will mix this mustard oil, for all without to avoid the wastage of the oil, or so you can measure the amount of the oil. Okay, 10 ml and coconut oil. Now you will observe this different layer of the, now coconut oil is just like simple water, transparent, and sunflower is lighter than mustard but having little bit color, you will observe in this. So we having all four types of immiscible substance or liquid. Okay, now you will observe the different layer of the, okay, different layer of the oil. Now I mixed it. Now after 1 hour we will observe how this separates. So we left it for the setting. And you will observe how immiscible layer is formed on the water surface. So we left for the better result for this solution for 1 hour. Now you will clearly observe after 1 hour two immiscible liquid, oil and water, and different density of liquid. We have taken two characteristics, immiscible liquid and density of different liquid also. So you will notice here two layer of the immiscible liquid. One layer is of oil and other is of water. Now again we will observe the density of the, according to the density of the water and oil, we will observe the heavier or denser liquid goes down and lighter liquid goes up. Now you will observe in this separating funnel, water is, density of water is 1, so it goes down denser than oil. And then after density, you will see here in this density of coconut oil is 0.9250 gram per centimeter cube, and density of sunflower oil is 0.92493 gram per centimeter cube, and density of mustard oil is 0.9200 gram per centimeter cube. So according to the density, we will observe here the different layer of the oil and water. So let's start the separating, because water is heavier and goes down. Now we start separating it through this way. Now you will see this. Now you will observe oil is separated. It will take time to separate because I mark very small hole inside this separating funnel, drop by drop. Okay, so it will take time to separate. Now you will observe here from this oil and coconut water and coconut oil is here. This is separated. Okay. Now this is the pure water. When I start the separation, then this is the pure water, because water is heavier, too denser than coconut oil. So and then after this is the mixed with water, coconut oil. Now again the third one is the sunflower oil. Now in the last you will observe this is the mustard oil. So according to the density, we have separated the 4 liquids. Is it okay? Now if you want to separate this also, oil and water, coconut or water, now you will keep or you will decrease the temperature by keeping it in your freezer. So a layer of the coconut oil on the surface of the liquid water. So through this way you can separate the all liquid by using this separating funnel at home. This is very simple method. Hoping you are trying a lot in this experiment. Have a good day.